Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Garmin Zumo XT2. First, power on your device by pressing and holding the power button for a few seconds. You will then be guided through the initial setup, including language selection and safety warnings. Next, connect your Zumo XT2 to a Wi-Fi network to ensure you have the latest map data and software updates. Finally, download the Garmin Tread app on your smartphone and pair it with your device for access to live weather, traffic, and smart notifications. Navigating with your Zumo XT2 is incredibly intuitive. Use the vibrant 8-inch display to plan your next adventure. You can create custom routes directly on the device, adding specific waypoints or shaping points. For a more exciting ride, explore the Garmin Adventurous Routing option, which helps you discover winding and hilly roads. Remember, you can seamlessly switch between on-road and off-road navigation, making it perfect for any terrain you encounter on your journey. Beyond navigation, the Zumo XT2 offers a suite of advanced features. With the Garmin Tread app, you can access real-time weather overlays and live traffic updates, keeping you informed on your ride. You can also control your smartphone's music and media directly from the device's display. For group adventures, the integrated group ride radio allows you to communicate with up to 20 fellow riders, sharing locations and messages over a range of up to 8 miles. To ensure your Garmin Zumo XT2 performs optimally, regular maintenance is key. Always keep your device's software and maps updated by connecting to a Wi-Fi network every few weeks. The rugged, glove-friendly 8-inch display is designed for the elements, but a gentle wipe with a soft, damp cloth will keep it clear. Finally, always use the secure, included mounting hardware to position your Zumo XT2 for the best visibility and accessibility during your rides.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.